Do donuts have eggs? The answer is yes. There are indeed donuts with eggs. However, some do not. In this regard, you can know if a particular donut has eggs if you check the company website. Because of this, you can safely inspect the ingredient information of the donuts. Do donuts have eggs? Consider the base ingredients of donuts. These consist of sugar, glaze or frosting, sprinkles, and chocolate chips. Because of this, they are not necessarily vegan. That is why the possibility of a donut being vegan is undoubtedly slight. Are there eggs in donuts? Essentially, there are indeed eggs in most donuts. Because of this, be aware of the primary ingredients in most donuts, which comprises flour, eggs, salt, sugar, yeast, and milk ingredients like skim milk and whey. How to store donuts correctly? It is always best to eat donuts when fresh from the oven, for starters. That is why when making your homemade donuts, wait until it has cooled down after you bake them. Likewise, it would be best to eat freshly made donuts you bought from Krispy Kreme or Dunkin' Donuts. Also, keep in mind that sugar, fats, and butter provide the donut with an excellent flavor. Unfortunately, these moist ingredients can be prone to bacteria, especially if you let your donuts sit there uncovered for 1 to 2 days. Moreover, you should be aware that, at times, donuts can be challenging to store. For instance, when making homemade donuts for your children, there is no denying that it will get messy. So you have to prepare when cleaning them the following day. What you will need to store donuts properly. Step by step. Step 1. After making homemade donuts or purchasing store-bought donuts, make sure to uncover them in the box. Then, ensure to let it cool for approximately 5 minutes. Step 2. After that, be sure to close the lid of your donuts. Doing so maintains the donut's freshness. Remember to do this after you have consumed your share of the donuts. Step 3. Then, wrap the leftover donuts in aluminum foil or cling wrap. By doing this, you will maintain the donut's texture and flavor for around 2 days. Step 4. Ensure the room temperature range from 60 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. In addition to that, you can conveniently measure the room temperature by utilizing a wall thermometer. Step 5. Remember, you can only keep your donuts wrapped in cling wrap or aluminum foil for about a week only. For this reason, if it goes beyond 1 week, the donut's glaze will moisten. And, as a consequence, it will undoubtedly allow bacteria to multiply instantly. Step 6. Finally, always check your refrigerator's settings if they are 35 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Bear in mind that a lower or higher temperature than the recommended will enter the temperature danger zone. Tips and tricks. You can always store your donuts in the freezer as a great alternative. Because of this, make sure to wrap it in an airtight freezer or container bag. Also, remember to maintain the freezer at 0 degrees Fahrenheit. In addition to that, you should anticipate the texture and flavor to fade after 3 days. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.